Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a curling wand that promises to give you gorgeous, natural-looking curls in a flash, you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at the Neuro by Paul Mitchell Titanium Curling Wand, a tool designed to create a variety of curls with ease. Whether you're going for loose beach waves or tighter ringlets, this wand claims to do it all. So let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to the hype. The Neuro Titanium Curling Wand features a premium titanium 1.25-inch cone with a tapered end, which helps create curls with a natural, effortless finish. Titanium, as we know, is known for its durability and heat conductivity, ensuring that you get consistent, high-quality styling every time. The wand heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in just seconds, ideal for those who are always in a rush but still want their curls to look flawless. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. I've been testing this wand for a couple of weeks, and I'll be honest, using it was a game changer for my hair routine. The wand is lightweight and easy to handle, with no clips, which means no dreaded creases in your curls. The tapered cone makes it super versatile, allowing me to create everything from soft, voluminous waves to more defined, structured curls. And because it heats up so quickly, I didn't have to wait around for ages before styling. One thing I love about this curling wand is the smooth glide. The titanium cone doesn't snag or pull at my hair, even when I'm curling the ends. And I've noticed that my hair feels shinier after using it, probably due to the even heat distribution. The 1.25-inch barrel is a perfect size for medium to larger curls, and I found that it worked well on both my hair and my husband's shorter, thicker hair too, thanks to the high heat capacity. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The wand gets incredibly hot, which is great for long-lasting curls, but you'll need to be cautious about burning your fingers, especially since it's clipless. I recommend using a heat glove, which I found really helpful to avoid any accidental burns. Another downside is that the barrel doesn't rotate, so it requires a little more wrist maneuvering to get those perfect curls. As for the pros, the titanium material definitely stands out. It provides smooth curls without frizz, and the heat up time is a major plus. The wand is also easy to clean and doesn't require much maintenance. The tapered cone is another huge win because it gives you the flexibility to create a variety of curl sizes without needing multiple tools. On the flip side, the lack of a rotating barrel and the potential for heat-related accidents are something to consider, especially if you're not used to clipless wands. When it comes to value for money, this curling wand is definitely on the pricier side. However, given the premium titanium construction, quick heat-up time, and the results it delivers, I'd say it's worth the investment for those who style their hair frequently and want professional quality results at home. In terms of comparisons, the Neuro Titanium Curling Wand stacks up well against other high-end curling irons, like those from T3 or GHD. While some of those options come with more features, like rotating barrels or digital heat settings, this wand stands out with its pure simplicity, rapid heat up, and titanium technology, making it a solid choice for anyone who wants efficiency and excellent results. The build quality is top-notch, as you would expect from a Paul Mitchell product. It feels sturdy in the hand, and the sleek black design gives it a professional, high-end look. The longevity of the wand is impressive, and with proper care, it should last for many styling sessions. As for customer support, Paul Mitchell has a strong reputation for handling inquiries and issues, so if anything were to go wrong, I'd expect excellent customer service. In terms of updates, this model doesn't have any recent ones that stand out, but considering the high quality, I don't foresee major changes being necessary anytime soon. Now, if you're considering alternatives, there are certainly more affordable curling wands out there, but I've found that many of them don't offer the same level of precision or heat performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, I'd suggest checking out wands from brands like Conair or Bedhead, but be prepared for less consistent heat distribution and fewer styling options. So what's the final verdict on the Neuro Titanium Curling Wand? This is a fantastic tool for anyone who's serious about styling their hair with minimal effort. The titanium barrel provides smooth, shiny curls without the frizz, and it heats up quickly, making it perfect for busy mornings. While the lack of a rotating barrel and the high heat may take a little getting used to, The overall performance and results make it well worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase the Neuro Titanium Curling Wand. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.